Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will uncover the incredible health benefits of oats. Oats are much more than a simple breakfast food. They pack a powerful nutritional punch and offer a variety of advantages for your overall well-being. So without further ado, let's dive into the top 8 reasons why you should make oats a part of your daily routine. Oats are rich in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. The high fiber content promotes regular bowel movements and supports the healthy functioning of your digestive system. By incorporating oats into your diet, you can maintain a healthy gut and enjoy better digestion. Are you looking to shed a few pounds or maintain a healthy weight? Oats are an excellent choice. Due to their high fiber content, oats provide a feeling of satiety, keeping you fuller for longer. This helps prevent excessive snacking and promotes weight management. Additionally, oats have a low glycemic index, meaning they release energy slowly, providing you with a steady source of fuel throughout the day. Oats are a heart-healthy food that can lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases. They contain a soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which helps reduce bad cholesterol levels in the body. By adding oats to your diet, you can maintain healthy cholesterol levels and ultimately support heart health. Looking for a natural energy booster? Oats are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy throughout the day. The slow release of carbohydrates prevents energy crashes, keeping you alert and focused. Start your day with a nourishing bowl of oats to fuel your body and mind. Oats offer incredible benefits for your skin health as well. They have anti-inflammatory properties and can soothe irritated skin conditions like eczema. Oats act as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and leaving your skin soft, smooth, and radiant. Include oats in your skincare routine to experience the natural beauty-enhancing effects. Oats are a nutrient powerhouse packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They contain B vitamins, iron, magnesium, and zinc, all of which contribute to a healthy body and mind. Incorporating oats into your meals ensures you're nourishing your body with a variety of essential nutrients. Say goodbye to boring breakfasts. Oats are incredibly versatile and can be prepared in various ways. From classic oatmeal to overnight oats granola bars, and even savory dishes like veggie oat cakes, the possibilities are endless. Experiment with different oat recipes and enjoy the deliciousness while reaping the health benefits. Last but not least, oats are a budget-friendly and easily accessible food. They are widely available in grocery stores, making them a convenient option for everyone. Oats provide a cost-effective way to improve your overall health, making them a must-have in your pantry. And there you have it, 8 compelling reasons why incorporating oats into your diet can lead to a healthier and happier lifestyle. From improved digestion to weight management, heart health, increased energy, beautiful skin, essential nutrition, and delicious versatility, oats offer an array of benefits that are hard to ignore. So, what are you waiting for? Start enjoying the goodness of oats today. If you found this video informative, remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more health-related content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.